Okay, here we have ammonium chloride. Okay. Ammonium chloride, what's the formula for ammonium chloride? Ammonium chloride will have ammonia inside. Ammonia is NH3. So ammonium chloride is NH4Cl. So it's NH4Cl. NH4Cl. Okay. Now, if I have a mixture of ammonium chloride with sodium chloride here, sodium chloride here is sodium chloride here is what we call common table salt. Common table salt is a salt that we eat. Okay. So if I have this mixture here, I have a problem if I want to separate them. Say I now try to use a liquid that is only soluble where one of the things is soluble. You think I can find a liquid where one of them is soluble? The thing is, it's going to be very difficult. Okay? It's going to be very difficult. You know why? Because ammonium chloride and sodium chloride are both soluble in water. Look, I put this in water, and can you see? If I shake both of these, they will dissolve completely. So there's no way in which I can use water to separate them. If I have ammonium chloride and sand, then I can use water, because then ammonium chloride will dissolve in water, but the sand will not. So after that we use filter paper to filter out the solution of salt or a solution of ammonium chloride. But now if we have ammonium chloride and salt, I got a big problem. It will be quite impossible to separate. But you make use of ammonium chloride that has got a property called sublimation. You know what is sublimation? What is sublimation?
Like it skips to a different form or something.
Okay. From solid to liquid, you call it, starting with M, melting. Right? From liquid to a vapor or a gas, you call it boiling. But if I have a solid that, if I heat this solid, and the solid, they do not melt. Both of them will not melt, but one of them will sublime. Can you see that one of them is going to sublime, and fumes are going to come out? Can you see the fumes? Can you see the white fumes? Yes or no? Yeah. Now that white fume is actually ammonium chloride trying to sublime, and then when it sublimes into two gases. I think we have tested the two gases before. One of them is called ammonia, the other is called hydrogen chloride. Ammonia is alkaline, but hydrogen chloride is acidic. So you can see here that sodium chloride will not sublime. Can you see? Sodium chloride will not sublime, but ammonium chloride has sublime. So in a way, we have separated this from the mixture. In other words, what we have here on top here on top is only ammonium chloride, no sodium chloride. Okay, so we are making use of this sublimation technique to separate these two. So we use the special property of ammonium chloride, which is able to sublime. Okay, so if you have a mixture, one of which can sublime, you will use a technique like this. This technique here is not so good when I put it in the test tube or a boiling tube. Usually they will have an inverted funnel, and then when it's sublime, it will sublime on the inverted funnel, and then you can take out the inverted funnel. Okay? Yeah, okay. So this is fine.